JD Welsh Cup is an important part of every season for us, really, and we've had successful seasons. We've got to the quarterfinals 9 times, but never got to the semi-finals, and obviously that would be a major achievement for the club. We've been lucky enough to get 5 home draws out of 6 in this year's competition. Financially for us, that is a big deal, hopefully if we do get past Rhyl today, we can get another home draw in the next round, which would be amazing, really.
So I'm from the town. I played all through the junior ranks. Got my chance in the first team when I was 16 under Tommy Morgan and the stint with Carnarvon Town, and I came back when Craig Papanik was manager, and now I've stayed here, club captain, and I love it here. So it's my team, my club, my town, so I just want the club to do well.
The JD Welsh Cup's huge competition, you know, and for anybody that gets to the final and actually wins it, it's a ticket into the European competitions, which is a qualification that every club would want to aspire to. It's fantastic for the club in itself, but also for the fan base, in that it gives you that opportunity to go and support your club in a cup competition that can take you a long way, and it just gives us that extra excitement, doesn't it? All cup competitions are the same, so yeah, it's fantastic to be here today and in round 4, the last 16 of the cup, and a great opportunity to get to the quarter-finals.
Well, the JD Welsh Cup, the quarter-finals now, I think massive. Obviously, I believe whoever wins it gets Europe, and that's what you want, isn't it? So a few big teams that have gone out, I know like TNS have been knocked out in the earlier rounds, Connolly, so there's a good chance to push all the way. Biggest competition we're in, let's see what we can do.